Hey guys, welcome. Technical Beardo here. Today in this short video, I'll be talking about one very important or useful trick of Safari browser in your iPhone. This trick is very useful for those people who are using Safari browser on a regular basis. So for example, let's say if you are a regular Safari browser user, okay, and there are few websites you visit regularly or few sites, okay, you visit them regularly. So now what happens if you search something new, that time those websites or any open tab goes away, okay, or it closes, right? And now if you want to visit your regular website, that time what you do, you can go to edit mode, okay, tab mode, search the tab, okay, and open the tab, or else go to Google and search a new website or a new tab, open a new tab. So it's a very long process, we all know that. So the solution for it that you can just pin the favorite tabs in your iPhone Safari browser. So whenever you want to visit your regular website, just tap on the pin tab and just open that tabs very easily. So now how to do this? It's very easy. So what happens? So now do one thing, go to Safari browser. So in Safari browser, open the edit mode or a tabs. So here you'll see multiple tabs open. So now whichever website you want to pin as a favorite or anything, okay, you want to pin, just hard press it. Once you hard press, there are multiple options. One of them is your pin tab. Just tap on that. So once you choose pin tab, that particular tab or website will be pinned and it will be available there. So whichever next time, whenever you open a edit mode or a tab mode, that time the pin tab will be open there. Directly you can open that without scrolling through the tabs. It's very easy process, very time saving, very useful as well. So I hope it was very helpful for you. Okay, so here you learn that how to pin the tab in Safari browser in your iPhone. So I hope it was very helpful for you. I hope very useful for you. And if yes, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.